I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuosa Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of Behind the Drywall.
So today we're gonna be at Visual Comfort, which is my personal favorite lighting, and I'm so excited because we're in a brand new showroom. So I'm gonna walk around with my friend Lauren, and she's gonna show us all the goodies that they have, lighting and beyond. Hello, I am with my friend Lauren at Visual Comfort Showroom, and when did you open the showroom?
We opened at the end of December.
Okay.
We are in the heart of Alma Heights, right on Broadway. With easy parking in the back, and we are very visual on Broadway.
Yes, parking in the back, I had to figure that one out. So we're gonna walk around the showroom and take a look at these beautiful, beautiful lights. So I guess where do you start? You're showing me these
So we offer these
rechargeable
great
lights.
rechargeable cordless lights, and what is very cool is that you have a charging station which come in different finishes. You can take your rechargeable light out and you just pop it in with a little tap on the top. So these are great for end tables that you're having a hard time with electrical. The charge lasts about 6 to 8 hours, so these are very cool.
That is super cool. I like that guy.
So when you walk into our showroom, this is our modern collection. We've got 3 different collections: modern, studio, and our generation lighting.
So everything from, I want a focal point for my dining room light, and then, I mean, we've even put your lighting in closets before, sconces in the
Sconces,
hallway.
pendants, chandeliers, all of it. So we've got 68 locations across the U.S., and we're just so fortunate that we have got a new trade partner in the area that's so beautiful. We also offer outdoor lighting, and we've also launched about a year ago is our landscape lighting, and we've got landscape specialists throughout the country that can help you with your projects.
So some of these are the landscape lighting.
Yes, the different finishes. Yes.
And then I would have a big question. So I know you get a lot of different kind of projects, various builders, designers that come in. Is there any, and even the homeowner too. So is there like a style or a finish that you're seeing more of 2026? Like
we're launching at High Point again, and we've got an incredible showroom up there. A lot of brass.
A lot of brass. So like this finish.
Yes,
That's
a lot
really
of
pretty.
brass. I'm
And
trying to think of what else.
There's a lot of glass and globes, and I see a lot of circular type.
A lot of circular. I would say the brass. The brass is our most popular finish.
It's beautiful. Well, we're getting asked the same thing, and we see a lot of lights from the cabinet hardware. It's kind of been a continuation of the last couple years, but I think, and I'm seeing a lot of brass over here. So we're gonna roll some of these lights that you see, and then that way you can see, plus the outdoor lighting.
We also offer fans. Incredible fans selection. Our Maverick is our most popular. It comes in about 6 to 8 finishes.
That's a beaut. So then here's your outdoor lighting.
Correct.
So, and I'm gonna have to tell Mike to make note of this, because someday we're gonna get on our list, right? Anyway, these are amazing. These are really, really pretty. And I think, especially now, we're in the spring, people are thinking about
You were living
my
outdoors.
outside.
Right.
Yeah. So that's another thing I thought that was kind of cool for outside. I really want you to see this.
Oh yeah, these
Are these little guys,
are my favorites.
right?
These
So
are our rechargeables. They're extremely popular.
I'm just having.
They come in different finishes, but a great gift, but a great for outdoors, for tables, just some decorative lighting.
And look at all of these gold finishes. It's really neat. So I know there was a, I mentioned lighting and beyond. So there's another area that besides just the decorative lighting.
So we offer, yes,
pretty amazing.
We are the only architectural demonstration light lab in San Antonio.
What does that mean?
So
A lab.
most of us are familiar with your 4 to 6 inch recessed cans. They create a lot of glare and they're not very pretty, and they started probably in about the 70s or 80s with these big 6 inch cans. So we have got an incredible demonstration lab that we have in our showroom that can show you what we can offer. And also as a builder, we can offer lighting designer specialists that can help with your projects. We can redline it, we can do some basic custom shades, systems, Lutron.
Cool.
So
then there's lighting that might go in a cabinet. There's lighting that, I think you showed us some shades. There's just like, the lighting's going down, it's going up. It's pretty cool.
right, so it's all about creating a layer of light and different visibility. We want to go to design led, which is more intentional, rather just throwing some lights up in the ceiling.
Yeah.
So we'd love to show you.
Well, you gotta have a plan. I agree. Well, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Molly.
I appreciate it. And we got our Fiesta colors on, so, you know.
Viva.
Viva. Thanks. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you guys found a whole bunch of different things that you are going to want to come to Visual Comfort and shop for. And not only that, I mean, this is a lot of the things that we put in our remodels, so hopefully we can put some of these things in yours. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw,
Thumbs up.
thumbs up, share with your friends, your family, follow us on YouTube and all that
Social stuff.
jazz.
Yep.
Anyway, thanks. See ya.